Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can capture photos, take screenshots, and even make screen recordings from Telegram private channels, using real, reliable solutions that work on Windows. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to quickly snap whatever you need, whether it's a quick image or a longer video recording, and save it safely for later. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with screenshots, because sometimes you just want a simple snapshot of a message, a photo, or maybe even an important piece of information someone shared with you. On Windows, you have a couple of really handy built-in tools. The first is called the Snipping tool. To find it, just click your Start menu and begin typing Snipping tool. As soon as it pops up, click to open. The Snipping tool lets you draw a box around exactly what you want to capture, so you don't need to fuss about cropping later. Imagine it's like drawing a magic rectangle just around the area you want, then boom, it copies that part of your screen. No extra stuff cluttering up your image. Now if you want something even faster, try using the keyboard shortcut Win plus Shift plus S, hold those three keys down together. Instantly your screen will dim a bit and your mouse will turn into a crosshair. Just click and drag to select the part of your screen you want. Once you let go, Windows will grab that area and copy it. All you have to do is paste it, say, into Paint or a Word document, or even straight into a message. It's honestly one of the quickest ways to capture exactly what you see. There's also the PRT-SCN key, which stands for print screen. When you press PRT-SCN, Windows copies an image of your entire screen to the clipboard. It doesn't save the file right away. You'll need to open an app like Paint and just hit Ctrl+V to paste it, then save from there. Think of it like having a snapshot of your whole desktop ready to paste wherever you need. If you've got multiple monitors or a cluttered workspace, just be aware that it'll take everything, so you might want to crop what you need after pasting. Alright, next up, screen recording. Sometimes a screenshot isn't quite enough. You might want to record a whole process, like showing a video or moving through a long list of posts. Windows actually has a screen recording tool built right in, called the Xbox Game Bar. Don't let the gaming name fool you. You can use it for anything on your screen. All you do is press Win plus G on your keyboard and a sleek dashboard will pop up. Now on the first launch, Windows might ask for a few permissions. Go ahead and accept those. Look for the Capture widget where you'll find a record button. Just click it and you're recording your screen immediately. When you're done, press Win plus G again and stop the recording. Your video automatically saves in your Videos folder under Captures. Super useful for making tutorials, saving memories, or just documenting something important on Telegram. If you want even more control, say you want to select a specific region or record multiple windows at once, there are some fantastic free apps out there. OBS Studio is my personal favorite. It's open source, works great, and gives you full control over what you're recording, including sound. Another popular one is Bandicam, which is user-friendly and lightweight. With these, you can make recordings for school, work, or sharing with friends. They do take a couple of minutes to set up the first time, but don't worry, once you've tried them, you're good to go, and that's it. By using these tools, you can easily capture anything you see or do inside your Telegram private channels on Windows, quick screenshots or thorough screen recordings, all with just a few easy clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. And if you have any questions or need troubleshooting tips, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.